Because if you got lights on it, it's online. No, you're good. You're good. Where are you at? What job are you at? It's freaking nuts.
It's Disney, bro.
Alright, and here we are. We're in the 80s section of Pop Century. I think I've stayed here and maybe in the 60s as well. We got a pool view, which is kind of nice. Although, I'll be honest, this pool kind of sucks. It's just a freaking square. But yeah, you can see they got some Pac-Man ghosts over there. They got a Walkman right here. I'll show you guys Roger Rabbit here in a minute. You can kind of see him right there. It's a very cool themed hotel. Yeah, there's Roger Rabbit. I'll go down there in a second. I'll get you guys a better view. Stand by. Alright, big reveal. Here he is. Boom. Roger Rabbit. Ta-da! Alright, let's walk up to the front. Got the potatoes, Mr. and Mrs. Here we have Hourglass Lake. You can actually see Art of Animation over there. Little cars area. I've covered that before on the channel. We're heading up to the dining area. The 80s is like the farthest away from the dining area, but that's okay. It's still not that bad of a walk. Scenic. I think is this the 70s? Yeah, this is the 70s area. They got all this crap right here. What are you talking about, Jerry?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. The construction? Yeah, I don't know what they're doing here right now for construction. Resorts are always having construction. Also, pro tip, sometimes when they're doing construction, you can get cheaper rates on rooms. So pay attention to that. It is a little busy right now. People are getting to the parks and whatnot. I did want to kind of show you guys this main pool area, which is this the 50s? I think this is the 50s. Which is the closest to the dining hall. You can see the pool here. Nobody's in it, which is nice. Got the Jungle Book dudes over there. Yeah, this is kind of the main pool. Play-Doh. Is that Play-Doh over there? Yeah, that's Play-Doh. This pool's way better than the one by us. So, it's flower-shaped and all that. Maybe this is the 50s. I think this is the 50s. I'm an idiot. I should know what that is. If you turn around here, there you go. The big pop sign. We'll head in. I'll show you a little bit of the classic hall where you can get food and everything else. Like, you know, gifts. Frick. Like I said, it's a little busy right now because of the time. They have an arcade. Here is where you check in if you're not doing direct to room. Highly recommend doing direct to room. You'll skip a lot of stuff doing direct to room. And here is the gift shop slash dining area. I feel like this used to look different, but I might be crazy. Maybe it didn't. And you can see all sorts of crap in here. This is kind of the same gifts that you would see. There's not like anything too specifically special about their gifts here. Slap bracelets. Interesting. I'm trying to show you guys. I know they do have some Pop Century exclusive things. Mostly just a pen. I think they have a pen. Enamel pen. Yep, here's the enamel pen right there. There's your enamel pen. So, well, they also have the Christmas one still up. And the 2025 pens. And yeah, as of now, there is some construction going on right here. I wonder if this may be where the gift shop is originally. I bet you it is. I think that's part of the gift shop as well. And like I said, it's freaking busy as freaking here right now. People are trying to get to the parks. All the things are going on. But this is where you can get some breakfast. They've got all the standard breakfast food that you would see at all the other resorts. The valued resorts, Mickey Waffles, bowls, etc. All the things right here. Yeah, it's freaking, it's lit in here. So anyways, this is what the cafeteria looks like. All right, walked over here to the front. There's literally an entire posse of people going to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna head down here to the end and head to Disney Springs, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is the little area here for the buses. It's in the front of the resort. Normally it always is in front of the resort. Here is no different. It's in front of the resort. Next bus is 10:18, man. We got some time here. Frick. Got all the different decades represented here. 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. They don't give a frick about the 2000s, apparently. Maybe they'll build a 2000s resort someday, like in the future. But here I kind of wanted to show you guys the front. I'm walking a little quick because I'm like out in the middle of the freaking road. They don't really give you a good chance to get a good view of this front of this place. But here it is. That's pretty good. You can make out what the frick this is. Pop Century. You can actually see one of the bowling pins up there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy how similar this resort is to like Art of Animation. So I forgot to show you a room tour, and we've been living in this room for like 2 days. Guess what? Time for a room tour. Hey dude, hold on, I want to give a room tour. Dude,
I gotta piss, so hurry up.
all right, here we go. Here's your room tour. Yep, here it is. Here's all the stuff we got. There's 2 beds here. This actually goes up if you want it to. We're not gonna do that right now. That boy had to pee. Here's a freaking TV there. Here's a freaking sink here. Yep. Pop Century. This is what you get. This is what you get for, oh, thank you. For a freaking, I don't remember how much it was a night. Like 200 something a night. Hey, can I show them the bathroom? Yep. Alright, just got up. Getting ready to head home. It's kind of early, not super early. It's raining out though. We're heading up to the hall right now. Also, I'm going to time how long it takes us to get from our room to the hall. We are the last room on the 4th floor of, I think this is building 7. So this is kind of the furthest distance from the hall. So I want to tell you guys how far we are, and you guys can write it down and start a timer. See how long it takes. All right, made it to the food hall here. About a 10-minute walk. So if you're crunched for time, or you're trying to time stuff right, bet on it being at least a 10-minute walk to get up here from where you're staying, if you're in the 80s. And heading out now to get to our Uber. He's on his way. Kind of just wanted to show some of the stuff here in the lobby. They have some various different things in little cases here. This is really cool, this 70s section here. It's got all this Walt Disney memorabilia, like the old Life magazine there from when Walt Disney World opened. Is that a thing of matches? Wow. So they also got the Mickey phone way up there. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show this real quick as we're exiting, heading to our Uber and heading home. Okay guys, it's going to do it for this video and our stay at Pop Century and our trip down here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and seeing us do some crap. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Until next time. I did it again. I keep saying crap and crap.
Yeah, you do.
I gotta quit doing that. Bye.